Hi. Hi, Christina. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ooh, windy. It's windy here today. Put your hat on. Put your hat on. Here we go. Put your hat on. Put your hat on, sweetheart. There. Say hi to the camera. Wait. You gotta put your hat on. Put your hat on. Oh, put your hat on. There you go. Hey, here. What? You want the camera? We gotta walk this way. Wait. Christina. Don't cover the camera. What, you're done filming for the day? Miss Little Movie Starlet? There you go. Hey, Christina, where are you going? You're looking at the tree? You like the tree? There you go. Here, put the hat on. Here, Daddy'll help you. Daddy'll help you. Oh, there you go. Oh. See what's going on with your hat over here. There you go. There. Happy? How's my Christina? Here, let's go this way. Christina. I guess she's done with the hat. And she's done following Daddy around. She has a mind of her own and wants to do things her way. Takes after her mother. Because Daddy's nothing like that. A very headstrong child. Who's my little headstrong child? Hey, pretty girl. Who's Daddy's girl? Who's Daddy's girl? Who's Daddy's little headstrong child? I love you. Want to go back and see Mama? All right, let's go.